I'm smooth and sweet, I spread so clean. Banana jam on toast, I'm the reigning queen. Tropical vibes, golden and thick. One taste of me and you'll never quit. Please! I'm the zing that wakes up your day. Lemon jam hits different in every way. Citrus punch, tart and bright. I light up your breakfast like broad daylight. Smooth and sweet, tart and bright. Fortunes bend, the more of your carrots. One of they stake is the like to make fake luck. Is they say and say son.
Hello people, the animation that you just saw, I created that using Anijam, one of the most amazing video generators I've come across. This is the main interface of Anijam. You have different options. These are all the templates that are available that you can use from.
Faster, harder, driven by urgency. The gap ahead seems impossible, but she takes.
You have 3D animation, AI animation video generator, text to animation. You can directly jump on it from here.
She hits the ground, running hard.
In tools,
Fast, turning.
You have text to animation, image to animation, character animation, script to animation, and audio to animation. In styles, you have Ghibli, 3D, cartoon, Minecraft. You can get different use cases for all social medias, and they have features like lip sync, scene editor, and video generator. Let's go ahead and create a video. You also have fruit art and escape. That's amazing. I love this. I'm going to give it a prompt here. In the sidebar, you have different features that you can use while making a video. You have different styles, characters, motion control, lip sync. Let's go back to the video making. We are going to choose AI director mode. These are the options that I'll be choosing. The platform is YouTube, it's for teenagers, and the aspect ratio is 16:9. Let's confirm. Anijam is currently available on freemium model, making it easy for new users to start creating animated videos right away on both PC and mobile. It is a very mobile-friendly app. You can do this entire process on your phone. Anijam is the ChatGPT of animation. I found it to be amazing. You should use it too. The video is getting created on the side. Now you need to choose the style. This entire video generation is fully automatic, dialogue-driven AI agent that handles the entire video production pipeline for you. I'm going to use the concept design. Just choose the options that you're being given by AI or have a conversation. Choose what you like. I also created an amazing reel using Anijam mobile version. It came out amazing.
On a quiet street at midnight, a girl discovers a glowing library she's never seen before. Inside, books float like fireflies through towering shelves. A cat in a top hat warns her, midnight has arrived. The library begins to fold around her. She follows the cat through shifting shelves to a glowing doorway. Waiting beyond it is the familiar
on now.
night street. Back on street! A glowing hair. Proof!